Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to take a screenshot on your Acer laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have a screenshot of all the steps that you can conduct, and there are 4 ways to do it. So let's get started. The first way is by using your window plus print screen key in your keyboard. So you need to press the window key and then the print screen key simultaneously, and the screenshot will be saved in locations in your screenshot folder in your desktop. If you're not confident using this method, then you can also use the print screen key to full screen shot for editing your entire page. Clicking on print screen key will allow you to screenshot your entire page and not only a section of your page. You can also use the snipping tool with shortcuts Windows Shift plus S, or you can also use it by searching for a tool in your laptop and it will come up automatically. So these are the ways by which you can take a screenshot on your Acer laptop. And I'd like to say that these steps are very clear and you can follow any one of the 4, but I would personally find using the Windows plus print screen key very helpful and very useful for beginners as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.